Don't drop the phone on me while I'm talking. Yeah. Don't stop, fucking me, go harder. Might not know what I want, but I know how I feel. Can I make you feel how I feel? Let it all get revealed. Can I? From now until eternity, right? Not sure I'm ready, I don't know what's gotten into me. But when I'm inside of you, I feel like a different me. I struggle to focus like I need some amphetamine. Make your IG private cause you a problem, only I should get to see. You show it off, don't hide it, a gemstone that only I should get to keep. Yeah. Some other guys don't get to me. I know the real you they never seen. You know yourself is all that you could be. Them other guys don't get to me. I know you wouldn't lie to get at me. You know yourself is all that you could be. Don't drop the phone on me while I'm talking. Yeah. Don't stop, fucking me, go harder. Might not know what I want, but I know how I feel. Can I make you feel how I feel? Let it all get revealed. Can I? Might not know what I want, but I know how I feel. Can I make you feel how I feel? Let it all get revealed. Can I? Can I?